Hello friends, have you recently undergone a braces treatment and wondering how can I clean my teeth? Or your dentist has suggested you to keep your teeth clean but you're a little worried on how can I do that? So come friends, today in this video I am going to help you know on a live patient and give you a live demo on how can you keep this teeth behind the braces clean and how can you improve your oral hygiene with your braces. Come, let us have a look at this today's video.
Subscribe to my channel Dr. Mansi Shah for dental health related tips and videos.
Hello and a very happy morning to all of you, and here you are on my show Monday Mornings with Mansi and my YouTube channel Dr. Mansi Shah. So friends, today we are going to learn cleaning behind these braces or the bars that you've got on your teeth. So we need two things, that is, one is this orthodontic brush and one is this interdental brush. This orthodontic brush looks something like this. So this is a special brush which is used to clean your braces. Why? Because this brush has bristles which are specially designed which can fix on your teeth. So as you can see, the bristles of this brush are quite long on the outside and the middle portion of this brush is inside. The bristles are shorter inside. Why is that so? Because when you place this brush on the teeth, it can easily clean your teeth down. So come, let us watch the demo of this brushing.
So this is the orthodontic brush that is being used. Place the brush bristles 45-degree angle to the gums. Make sure the center portion of the brush is on the braces or bracket.
And now the second thing that we are going to use is this interdental brush. So this brush is a small brush, if you can see. So this brush has very tiny bristles on them, and because it is so small, it cleans the in-between areas or spaces between your teeth, between your braces. So this is a very handy tool. So now first let us watch the video on how can this brush be used. The bristles are able to clean all the areas along the sides of the braces or the brackets. Why is that important? Because there is a lot of tendency that if you don't keep these areas clean, then something like this post your braces treatment can happen, or it can, in much severe case like this also, it can happen. So you definitely don't want straight but yellow and decayed teeth. For that, brushing with this interdental brush, of course along with your regular brushing, is very much important. Now friends, it is also a handy tool, so you can carry it easily in your wallets or purses or just in your pocket. And why are you supposed to carry it? Because whenever you eat food, you have a lot of chances that your food gets stuck between your teeth and your wire, especially if the area space is very much less. And whenever you smile with that, everyone can see what you've just had. You definitely don't want that. This interdental brush makes it very much easy. At the area where you're sitting or just visiting a washroom nearby, you can easily get your braces and teeth cleaned, and yes, you can have a better and confident smile even with your braces. Now friends, it is recommended that you use a fluoridated toothpaste and a mouthwash along with this, because that avoids decalcification, that is white spot generation or weakening of your teeth during this journey. Of course, for using mouthwash, you can definitely consult your dentist depending on case to case, or even the changes that are seen in your mouth, your dentist would recommend you stop or start with the mouthwash or no. So friends, do definitely follow this regime and it is going to be very much beneficial for you. If you have any other questions related to your orthodontic braces, if you are willing to have a treatment done and are confused what should you go for, do mention it in the comment section below and I will be very much happy to help you and answer all those questions for you. Hi, I am Dr. Mansi Shah, practicing in the city of Pune. You surely want to have this braces treatment done. I and my team of doctors happily welcome you to our dental clinic. If you have any other questions related to your oral health, please visit my YouTube channel named as Dr. Mansi Shah. I have made a lot of videos pertaining to oral health. Please make sure that you visit the channel, subscribe to the channel, so whenever I post a video, you will be able to watch it first. Don't forget to like and share this video among your friends who have had braces and need to maintain them properly. Wishing you all a healthy, bright and happy smile. Stay healthy, stay happy and stay oral fit. Thank you.